The retaining ring is used to secure the blade clamp assembly to your recip saw. The spiral type ring fits into a groove in the recip shaft. Over time, the ring can weaken and come loose, causing the blade clamp to come loose from the shaft. Replacing the retaining ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe. Now I can remove the retaining ring. I'll use a pick to get it underneath the retaining ring, and then I'll just unwrap it from the spindle. And now I can install the new retaining ring. I'll insert the pick between the layers to get it started, and then I'll just work it onto the spindle. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the shoe. And that's how easy it is to install a new retaining ring on your tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.